Hello everyone. Today we talk about the topic protein synthesis. So what is protein synthesis? Protein synthesis is the process in which cell makes proteins. It occurs in two stages, transcription and translation. So what is transcription? Transcription is the transfer of genetic instruction in DNA to messenger RNA in the nucleus. And it includes three steps: initiation, elongation, and the termination. Okay, next is the measure of protein synthesis. Activation of amino acids, transfer of amino acids to transfer RNA, initiation of polypeptide chain termination, and the protein translocation. Next is the activation of amino acids. In this reaction is brought about binding of an amino acid with the ATP, binding of an amino acid with the adenosine triphosphate, and this step require enzyme called the amino acyl RNA synthetase. This is an enzyme which are requirement of the this step activation of amino acids, and due to this reaction amino acids ATP mediated by above enzyme amino acyl enzyme complex form is formed. Next is the transfer of amino acid to transfer RNA. The amino acids AMP enzyme complex form react with a specific transfer RNA, and thus amino acid is transferred to transfer RNA, and as a result the enzyme and AMP are liberated. Next one is the initiation of polypeptide chain. In this, the first step, the next amino acyl transfer RNA is bound to complex of elongation factor and containing a molecule bound GTP, and the resulting amino acyl transfer RNA TU GTP complex is now bound to 70S initiation complex, and GTP is hydrolyzed and TU GTP complex is released from the 70S ribosomes, and the new amino acyl transfer RNA is now bound to amino acyl or A site of the ribosomes. And in the second step of elongation, the new peptide bond is formed. Between the amino acid, post transfer RNA are located on A and P steps of ribosomes, and these steps occur by transfer of initiating formyl methanol acyl group from its transfer RNA to the amino group of new amino acids adjust to the entire A sites. In the third step of elongation, the ribosome move from messenger RNA toward 3' by distance of codon. And since the dipeptide transfer RNA is still attached to second colon, the movement of ribosome shift dipeptide transfer RNA from A side to the P side. This shifting is cause release of the transfer RNA, which is empty. The next is the chain termination. The termination of polypeptide is signaled by one of the three terminal triplets in the messenger RNA, and the three terminal codons are UAG, UAA, and UGA. They are also called the stop signals. At the time of termination, the terminal codon immediately follow the last amino acid codon. After this, the polypeptide chain, transfer RNA, messenger RNA are released, and the subunit of ribosome get dissociated. And termination also require the activities of three termination or releasing factor named as R1, R, and S. Next is the proteins translocation. First is the free polyribosome. Second one is the membrane-bound polyribosomes. For free ribosome, termination of protein synthesis leads to the release of completed protein into cytoplasm. And some of the specific protein are translocated to mitochondria and nucleus by a special type of mechanisms. So, thank you so much for your listening.